Hey guys, so it is very wonderful place. I will show you from here, and it is so attractive. We are here now at Golcunada Fort, and it is opposite view. और ये ऊपर का हिस्सा है जो कि तेलंगाना में पड़ता है. So एकदम हम लोग हाईएस्ट पे हैं और ये देखिए कितना ऊंचा है, आपको रियलाइज़ होने वाला है. इसके नीचे आप बिल्डिंग देखिएगा कि कितनी नीचे यहाँ से बिल्डिंग देखेंगे. So I am going to make you visit a wonderful excuse me, well, so we can see from here. It's so beautiful moment, and it's Hyderabad city, which is in Telangana, and so it's going to love. Doesn't matter. Well, it's just like a and the view from here really can't be ignored.
But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by you.
From this side, it is also wonderful, and you want to visit, if you miss this place, and I would recommend for you that if you come here, you can go to visit Terminal also.
By thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear